Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's makeup is a quick makeup using only 4 products for a full face. Yes guys, I use only 4 products, and this is something you can do when you're traveling, when you don't really want to buy a lot of products. I remember back in the day when I started with makeup, I didn't really have a lot of products, and this is what exactly I used to do. This can save you a lot of money, and still, you know, nobody would know that you only did it with 4 products. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. Now this is a full coverage foundation, so you would not even need concealer because it covers pretty much everything, and because it's a satin finish, you would not even need powder to set it. So once that is blended, I'm going to use the star of this show, and that is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. It has the contour, highlight and the blush shade. I'm going to use this shade for, of course, contouring my face. So I'm going to contour my cheekbones as well as my jawline, and this shade is pretty close to my skin tone. It works great as a natural day contour, and it gives a nice bronze look to the skin. I'm going to use this highlighter obviously on my cheekbones to give it a nice highlight. Once that is done, I'm going to highlight the brow bone to give my brows some lift, and I'm also going to take this color on the inner corners of my eyes to make my eyes look more open. Then this is actually going to make your eye look so much more complete. I'm going to use the contour shade on my crease, and guys, your bronzer, your contour shades are great for your transition, and they create so much depth on your crease, and that is actually one of the most essential colors for your crease. Finally, I'm going to take this blush color on my eyelids because look at it guys, it's so pigmented. It actually looks like an eyeshadow, so I prefer to use this as an eyeshadow more than a blush, and this is all you need for your eyeshadows guys. Your eye look is so much subtle and still complete. And finally, for the mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal mascara, and I'm going to layer it on. So this is one product you really want to play up with. You want to layer it, and you want to give your lashes that lift and that volume at the same time. I'm also going to apply coats on my bottom lashes, and this is going to give you that doll-eyed effect. And yes guys, this is going to look so much chic and so much classy. I'm using a bright coral lipstick for my lips, and using a bright or a bold lip color actually makes you look like you have a full face of makeup when you actually don't. And I'm going to use the same color on my cheeks, but not directly. You want to take it on your fingers and then tap it onto your cheeks. So once you tap it, you want to warm it up with your fingers. The heat from your fingers, it's actually going to melt the product in, and it's going to look more blended. So I'm going to blend it in the end with my brush, taking it towards my temples. Alright guys, so our makeup look is complete. Our full face of makeup with 4 products is done. You want to use something like this if you believe in minimalistic products. You don't have to buy everything, and this is all you can do. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram page. The link is in the description box, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you found it helpful, and comment down below your feedback and your suggestions. I would love to read all of them. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.